Alright, let's continue this. Alright, there, we got that one in. No, let's put this one in. Let's put this in. Now get ready. And no, we're gonna. Before that, just in case anyone wait. This just in case anyone did miss part 2, I'm just gonna show you. You just dump this out, and then you could just do it on any ways. You could do it on this one or this one, but let's enough talk about that. Let's just put that on there. Jesus Christ, man. There, it's putting back together. Now this is the last. This is probably it. So I may come back in probably in a week or so, and then to show you to turn it on, like show how it works. I may take it apart and show it how it works, but I just have vacation in a week or so. I will try to, but just stay tuned for that. May do it before vacation or after vacation, but stay tuned for that. Bye.